Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mohammed Shah Suleiman, and I'm proud to welcome you to the Magma Farming's Qurbani Operation and Processing Facility. At Magma Farming, we have invested in a world-class operation designed to uphold the highest standards of Sharia compliance, animal welfare, hygiene, food safety, and operational excellence. Every aspect of our Qurbani program is carefully planned and professionally managed, from animal sourcing and welfare to slaughter, processing, packaging, storage, and distribution.
This is Latoya, the manager of the Peter Maritzburg SPCA. We are joined this afternoon at the Magma Farm, where we've witnessed a couple of hundreds of animals being slaughtered, obviously for purposes of Qurbani. It is a religious sacrifice that is made. Overall, it has been a very big operation. Everything went smoothly, and we do think that the facility does have some good people running it. We also haven't witnessed any inhumane slaughtering of animals. So yeah, everything has gone smoothly.
وأقول دوما الحمد لله يا ربنا ندعوك بلا قلبنا يهتف الحمد لله الحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله سر النجاة في كل خطوة نذكر اسمه الحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله سر النجاة في كل خطوة.
For our private Qurbani clients, Magma Farming provides peace of mind knowing that your Qurbani is performed professionally, ethically, and in accordance with Islamic principles, and assisting you in fulfilling this important act of worship. We also ensure that our private clients are given priority with minimal wait periods and turnaround times. Our dedicated team works within a clean, hygienic, and highly sanitized environment, ensuring that all operations are conducted with dignity, care, and strict adherence to health and safety standards. We are also honored to partner with Islamic Relief on their Qurbani Meat Distribution Programme. Islamic Relief recognize the value, capacity, and the professionalism of the Magma operation, selecting us as a trusted partner capable of managing large-scale Qurbani requirements while maintaining the highest standards of quality, compliance, and animal welfare. This year, we have completed a total count of 482 cattle at our facility. Together, we are helping ensure that Qurbani meat reaches vulnerable families and communities with dignity and efficiency. At Magma, we understand the trust that accompanies every Qurbani, and we are committed to honoring that trust through transparency, accountability, and excellence at every stage of the process.
الحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله سر النجاة في كل خطوة نذكر اسمه الحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله سر النجاة في كل خطوة.
Islamic Relief is currently at Magma Farm slaughtering 384 cows for the purposes of Qurbani distribution. When Islamic Relief is selecting a service provider for Qurbani, we look at various aspects. We look at the technical aspect and we look at the financial aspect. When we look at the financial aspect, we look at the cost effectiveness. And when we look at the technical aspect of a service provider, we look at the capacity that they have, the infrastructure, the workmanship, and most importantly, the animals that we receive, as these meat parcels will be going to the beneficiaries. Once again, Jazakallah so much to Magma Farm, being able to slaughter 384 cows in the respective time needed. Jazakallah so much to the staff. Once again, we really appreciate the professional services that Magma has done.
الحمد لله سر النجاة في كل خطوة نذكر اسمه الحمد لله نور الحياة مهما تغيرت الدنيا ذكرك يجعلنا في الهدى في كل دمعة نقول بلا فالحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله نور الحياة الحمد لله سر النجاة في كل خطوة نذكر اسمه.
At Magma Farming, Qurbani is more than an operation. It is a responsibility, an amana, and a commitment to serving our clients, communities, and partners with excellence. From our family to yours, we thank you for your continued trust and support. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.